Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a single Sash window as dynamic block in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, you and enter. Length type decimal. Units set millimeters. Okay. Current view annotation scale set 1 to 1. Okay. Go distance, di enter. Wall depth 225. Window width 600, frame depth 100, frame width 50. Okay, fixed glass frame width 50, fixed glass width 600. Okay, go move and enter. Select object, base point. Okay, now go wipe out, create wipeout frame, enter. Select wipeout frame, change to layer, wipeout, draw order, dr enter, send to back. Okay, now go block, b enter, block name, single window, select object, enter, pick point, block unit, set millimeters, open in block editor, tick. Okay, now go parameter, base point, parameter, linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, okay. Select parameters, select similar, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, exit, select distance 1, parameter, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, select distance 2, go properties, rename, width, enter. Okay, select distance 3, rename, frame depth ft1, enter, select distance 4, rename, ft2, enter. Okay, go actions, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select fixed glass, ft2, select, go isolate object, hide object. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect, okay, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, okay, deselect wall line and wipe out frame, okay, enter, select stretch 3, go properties, angle 180, enter, okay. Now go unisolate object, end object isolation, okay, select window frame, okay, select FD1 parameter, go isolate object, hide object, okay. Now go action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, okay, deselect wall line and wipe out frame, okay, deselect, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, okay, deselect wall line and wipe out frame, deselect, okay, enter, select stretch 5, go properties, angle 180, enter, okay. Now go unisolate object, end object isolation, now go parameters, alignment, click here, parameter, flip, click here, okay, go actions, more, select parameter, parameter point, select flip parameter, enter, action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select alignment parameter, enter, select more one, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, okay, action, more, select wall depth parameter, parameter point, select object, select flip parameter, select parameter, okay, enter, select more 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, okay, action, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter, okay. Now go parameters, visibility, select visibility point, visibility status, rename, window, new, fixed glass FG, okay, window select, set current, okay. Now go visibility, select W, window, make invisible, select object, select FD2, okay, enter, regional, again go visibility, select FG, make invisible, select object, select FD1, okay, enter, regional, right click, flip 1, action selection set, modify selection set, select visibility parameter, enter, okay, Okay, let's see. W, F, G, W. Okay. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Stretch, stretch, stretch frame depth, stretch, stretch wall depth, visibility FG, stretch frame depth, stretch, window, stretch, flip. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.